So I'm just beginning the stream on X also. Good, we are live on X. Just a minute. I just need to technology. No, no, not technology. It's an entertainment. Is select sources OBS. Can I have a content restriction? Thumbnail posted also. Why? Everyone. Okay, start immediately. Create broadcast. Broadcast created. Awesome. Awesome. I will just post it. I'm live. Vibe coding. Okay, we are live on YouTube also, I believe. I have to just check it once if I'm live on YouTube too. So just check live. Hello network gamers, welcome bro. Finally someone joined. Guys, just let me know if my background music is audible and my voice is properly audible, or is there anything loud, like is background music loud or something. Just let me know. And wait, okay, this is okay. Meanwhile, I will just have a story posted that I'm live, so it becomes easy. Maybe today more people will join, so I'm just posting the story. And then we'll start the day. Live vibe coding an app. Join now. So okay, next concert game. It's not a game, I'm making an app. It's an app. I launched one app recently also, which was MedVault. I'm making another app called as Dual Lens Tracker. This is my latest app, available on Apple App Store. Go and check it out, guys. MedVault. So let me open Visual Studio Code, and today's tasks are very simple. Let me split it two times. Wait. I think I can split it. This as split the switch. Hide this sidebar. And now this looks like a proper screen. Is my audio audible and everything is perfect, guys? Can we start the day? No bro, just trying app development. Enjoying this more. Crazy part is of making apps. Just okay. Wait, what happened? Suddenly this switches now. Apple sometimes get confused with it. Okay, wait. I need to properly set. Okay, yeah. Now I have to just make the terminal up. This will be fine now. I believe. Wait. Let me just drag it towards the up and then scale it towards it. Okay. So what we will work on today is I have 3 tasks to do. Okay. Okay, I will just minimize all this. I will just keep on this. Go on X, refresh, just to see if anyone has arrived or not. No one has came. What can be the worst? X, refresh. Okay, leave it. If anyone comes, it's good. If not, that's also better. We have 2 watching on YouTube. YouTube story has posted or not? My YouTube audience has gone like I was having a very good audience in past. Live streaming was getting very good views. But no worries, we'll build it again. So live chat is going on, and I think I'm properly. What's the quality of the stream? 720, good one. Not interested, bro. Not interested in making any sort of first person. Because see what happened in games now and why apps are different. In games, the purpose of games is to make someone enjoy. Correct. And enjoyment stays for a very less time. You make now you think of like big games. Don't compare with big games because you are not going to make a big game. Reason, those big games had very high funds and all. Now what happen is you make a game, you share it with, let's say you get 100 installs. Those 100 people, every time when they open, they want something new. So you keep on updating, keep on doing this, that. Like there are something because they the requirement of people will always change. Maybe they found some other game. Oh yeah, this game is good. Let's try this. The benefit of making an app, and why this app market is already I know it's very high competition, but the benefit of making an app is you make something. Let's say I make an app for I make an app for medicine. Okay, the MedVault. Now what happened in MedVault is this solves a simple purpose. Okay, this app which I made solves a very simple purpose, but people will use it knowing that what it solve only. They don't want that okay every time when they open the app they will find something new, because this app is not giving them any dopamine hit. It's just solving their a problem which if they have they will use it. But in games it needs to be a dopamine hit. It needs to be something new, then updates, then a development time of 3 months, 6 months, and then continue development, all. That's a very different thing. Now here I can launch an app in 1 week. Okay, that's the thing. But yeah, it's hard, but I just wanted to explore it. So we'll just minimize this part. Okay, so I let me just open Whisper Flow here. Whisper Flow is required. Okay, so I wanted to know if I add uh, cloud saving. Let's say all these cards, the transaction in these cards, whatever the user adds manually, the images and everything will store somewhere in the cloud, so that let's say the user changed the device or reinstalled the app, and they just have to log in using Google or Apple and they are good to go. Will that be a big thing or will that be a easy thing? And also, are we going to break any policy things or something? What are permissions and everything is required? Can you just guide me with this? And what's the process of integrating this logic? Login with Apple or Google plus storing maybe in Firebase or something, whatever is cheap and no cost. Okay, let's ask. जो ऐप बना रहे हो नो ब्रो देयर इज नो API because those are like utility apps kind of saving you manually save something you don't have to get any API or whatever you call it. No API required. I don't know why I'm getting fever from last few days. Why it suddenly changed? Great. Okay. Okay, cloud is thinking what to do. If you open any third-party Apple guidelines for Okay, in-app account relationships account notify apps that allow sign in it with Apple capability. That's a good bro. Keep making that marketing app which you are shared. Okay, so permission you need sign in, network access, no place entry, Firebase doesn't require any new privacy setting, Android. My strong recommendation. Currently, this app is that's literally on the lock screen description. The onboarding are also pretty recommended. Why I shape a profile setting called Cloud Backup that's off by default. Tap it, sign in with Apple, all data uploads from then on. Two ways. User who don't want to. No, I don't want this thing. Let's start integrating this. We are only targeting Apple. Okay, so we can have this thing called or we can have one thing. You add this option as what we call it, the one you told me that a profile setting called cloud backup that's off by default, and cloud backup will only be enabled if user has premium. On having enabling cloud backup, it will make sure you it will ask you for login from Apple or Google, and then all data gets uploaded from then on. The data which currently already is the app, that will also get uploaded, and the new one also get uploaded for that user. Now let's say he's made any change in background, let's say offline or something, then whenever he come online it should be uploaded. So just make sure we have this thing. That's I think can be a good option as a premium option also. Now can you make it for Apple, you can use this Firebase and CloudKit. Okay, and I want this Apple thing to be for Apple only. Okay, so just do this. Have everything like the screens you require, the what, and do let me know what all keys or something you required from my side or some setup, and how to do that also. Please let me know. Bye bro. Why bro? Why you are growing? Okay, is there someone on X? No. Why you are growing? Okay, is there someone on X? This one. Okay, so I'm doing a very big step in this because I wanted to integrate Firebase, and I need it because Firebase can help very nicely. Like it's a very good option for this. All these guys na make a landing page every time. Okay, like for all apps they have a landing page. Okay. Public speaking. Having some beats running in background is very good. Makes things more like cool to. Okay, so I am trying to get this thing done. Okay, something like this. That's fine. This is a substantial with Apple Firebase console work on your side. But doable. Let me set up the code and walk you through with every external step you need. Okay, let's see. Claude is doing something big. This is going to be a big pod for sure. Cloud backup settings. I think I have a max plan. It will be why in between it just switch all these things. I'm sometimes confused with this. Like see. Okay, I got it. If I do this thing now. Not this. If I let's say yeah. Okay, got it. I have to turn off this thing. Like this is only working. If I do this thing now, then it will. कौन सा ऐप क्रिएट कर रहा है? सो आई एम मेकिंग एन ऐप कॉल्ड एज ड्यू एंड IOU ड्यू एंड lend tracker that basically you can track due and lending. Okay, let's say you took money from your friend, so you can create a card that okay, I have took money from Ram and I have took let's say $100 or whatever it is, and you can add a due date and all, so that it builds a card. You can have all the details. That's what app do. And the lending thing is like let's say you gave your money to your friend, so you can keep a track that okay, I have gave let's say $100, $10, $500, whatever to my friend, and that's all I'm building. And I'm currently adding cloud thing so that user who create this idea and who have premium can save it, and that's what I'm trying. This is substantial. The code is in now. The extent I will walk through. There's a 5-phase and you will need 30 minutes. Okay. Apple plus Google sign in by Firebase with the delete Apple requires. Okay. Go to Apple developer identifier. Enable sign in with Apple on your ID. Scroll to okay. I have to check this out. So I have to go to developer.apple.com. Okay, and I will go to my account. That's cool. Let me just go there. Then identifiers. Okay, okay, I have to find the, yeah, found it. Now what? Sign in, scroll to sign in with Apple. Sign in with Apple. In-app purchases is on. Here is sign in with Apple. Yeah. Check it, save, confirm. Firebase uses this top right, change app ID filter to service ID. Click one. Where? Two. Service IDs. Yes. Click plus. Yes. Description. Service ID. Okay. Continue. Description will be, are you signing it with Apple? Okay, nice. And then identifier is this one. Continue. Register a service ID. Okay. Sign in with Apple. Configure. Primary app ID. Okay. और तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है. प्राइमरी ऐप तो चूज कर लिया, ये तो देना ही होगा. चलो चलो छोड़ो. क्रिएट अ साइन इन विद एप्पल की. लेफ्ट नेव कीज. अब कौन सा लेफ्ट नेविगेशन? वेयर इज दैट लेफ्ट नेविगेशन? कीज. ओके. ओ वाओ. क्रिएट अ की. की नेम is IOU sign with Apple key. Okay. Check in with Apple. Configure primary app ID. Save. Check in with. Sign in with Apple. Configure. Save. Okay. Continue. Register. Downloaded. Yes. Go to Firebase. Okay. Let me log in first. Yeah. Add project. Let's do it. Create a Firebase project. Continue. Disable Google. We don't enable. Create project. Add an iOS app bundle, App Store ID, register app, keep this file, download, add so many IDs, man. Okay, let's do it. Continue. The project is ready. Add an iOS app. Let's do it. iOS. IOUDUL tracker. Okay. Register. Download register app downloads Google dot. Okay. Okay, download. Next. Continue to console. Okay. Settings will have general. Project ID is there. Okay, now what? Left navigation, build authentication guild. Left navigation. Wait, where? Authentication. Get started. Sign in with method tab Apple enable. की आईडी भी तो था दिया था इसने. ओके. डन. Apple enable, sign in method tab Google enable. Google enable. ठीक है. Enable Firebase database create database. ठीक है. This is also pain यार. ठीक है. Firebase database. Sorry, I can't show this on the screen. Let me just check the. My friend not give me money anytime. Then that's a different problem, bro. Enable Firestore database. So how much? Let's create a database. Production mode. Wait. Next. Just a second, I need to find that I'm on the right thing or not. Project overview. Firestore, no? हाँ. Production mode. Start in production mode. Reason South for India, US for USA. This is the permanent once created rules tab. Let's have United States only. हो गया. Once created rules tab replace with. Let it open यार. Where is rule tab? Bro, I can't find the rule tab again. Just a second. Rules tab, yeah. Rules tab replace with. It's loading something. Okay, I will just copy this. Publish. Enable cloud storage. Storage get started. Storage. Get started. ठीक है चलो. Start in production mode. Next. Same region as Firestore. Wait, unknown error. Wait. US Central. La. Your data location has been set in the region that does not support no post over. Okay, all location. Two point six point. Let's see guys how to get the storage of database thing sorted here. Maybe I have to create a new database then. Clouds. Oh. क्या बना रहे हो? Hello bro. Bro, I am making an app called Dew and Land Tracker. Himanshu, hi Himanshu. So I'm just adding Apple login and Google login and cloud storage for Firebase. So I'm just option 1 recommend update to baseline, stay free in practice. Let me upgrade the project to base plan then yaar. Pay as you go. For your app, even with 1000 of few photos each, you would stay 1% of the freeway cost equals to 0. Click let's started, agree and continue. Extend, got everything you will no, start free. Complete your purchase. What to complete, bro? Just a second, guys. I have to upgrade my Firebase plan, so I'm doing that. Wow, new thing done. It should be loading. Link cloud billing amount. Okay. Okay, now I will go to storage. Get started. Continue production mode. Please, now you should do it, yaar. I have paid. Then it should work. Why it takes so much time? What's your typing speed? I don't type nowadays, bro. So I just use Whisper Flow, and I'm just enjoying that a lot. Okay, I will just publish this. Now back to Apple Developer Portal. Fill the year. Now that Firebase, you have a project ID. Where I have here, bro? Can you just tell me from where I can get these IDs and all? Can someone tell me from where I can get this project ID? Okay. Let's start. Let's start. Identify service ID. I think I found it somewhere here only. Na identifier. Go to service ID. Yeah. Domains and subdomains. Sign in with Apple. Configure domains and subdomain will have project id dot firebase dot it. So my project ID is this dot firebase app.com. Yeah, then return URL should be this one. So project ID I copy from here, paste it here. Next, done. Continue, save. Add Google into the project. Open iOS runner in Xcode X workspace. I downloaded this file or not? Phase 4, please you do full. I have shared the Google service info.list. Phase 4 के बाद क्या है? What is the phase 4? That's the phase 4 only, na? Okay. Then we have phase 5 to build. Let's do. Okay, what I need to give him more? App launches, no behavior change. Profile, see a backup option. Tap continue on the upgrade screen. Tap cloud. I back in app all your existing card. Add a card after 3 seconds. Debounce Firestore updates. Profile, cloud backend on your email. Three things in order. The P1 dot contains the key ID. We'll paste this into the interface. Don't share with .p1. We'll drop it into IRA and add Xcode. Reverse client ID. ये दोनों मैंने have given him ना, so it will automatically do. No Firebase app. Google. Okay, cool. Let's do the chat. I think Claude is coding the app. You are helping it. Yes, that's what it's happening. I'm just telling him what to do. what to make, and he's telling me to make this, you have to do this, and I'm just doing that. Easy peasy. I just think if the Firebase don't take too much money from my pockets. Someone watching the stream on this one? No, no one. Okay. So what you guys are doing, guys? What is Fantabulous Clips do? What Himanshu do? What others are doing? Okay, something is done. No, I did it here. Just a second. Firebase authentication. Sign in method Google Apple. Project setting. Just a second, guys. There's some problem. Maybe it will work now. What happened to your team? I am a game developer. I'm just doing everything solo at the moment. So app is something I'm doing as a side by thing. Game is something which is a full-time kind of a thing. I'm not making any new games. I'm just not ready to make one yet. I believe for now I'm just need some gap or some mind change. Okay. Now I have to do this commands now. Let's try, guys. अरे यार let me delete the app from my phone because I will be running it on my phone only, and I will be sharing you how it works out. It's installing some dependencies, Apple app auth, app check core, boring SSL, nice name. For install is profile cloud beacons opens, tap continue with Apple, authenticate, watch the network, Firebase console, Firestore database, your user ID, data snapshot, you should see your cards, add a card, wait 3 seconds, okay, test Google, tap to continue, nice. Oh, this can give us errors. Let's see, bro, what errors it can give. Maybe in release thing, when I run the release code. Firebase Auth is downloading now. So much things get installed. If this also works now, then my task is done. I just have to understand because I'm giving this cloud features in premium. So need to update the paywall screen, then need to integrate revenue cat and all, then need to have a proper testing and release. Lots of things are downloading. So let's see what happened now. I am interested in running this out now. If it works, it's good. By the way, guys, if you have a Apple iPhone, then go check out MedVault Medicine Manager. I released it, let's say 2 days back, 1 day ago. So just go and check this app, guys. Okay, it's done. So Flutter run release. Let's build it and see how many errors are coming, because now errors can come. If it comes, I have to solve it, and that's a part of the development part. If when the I am enjoying. No one watching, guys. Boring stream. I know it can be boring because I was doing game development streams. Those were quite interesting because you get to see games and all of those things. And in this app, it's just a vibe coding, but that's how the content changes, guys. Games I'm doing, but that requires lots of planning, ideation and all. I'm doing this as a side by to try it out if app works out well or not. Maybe it works, maybe it not, but that's why I'm just building apps which I think I require. That's why I built DUNLEN and Medicine, both apps. Playing music has so much fun. Then I have few tasks today. Few, not few, lots of tasks. So I just wanted to check this running Xcode build. What I'm doing now. If this get launched now, then it's good. It's running Xcode build. I just wake up at 10 today, and after let's say 20 minutes I started this live stream. If I wake up at 8 o'clock, I would have done it till 8:30, from 8:30 to 10 or whatever. Errors. Time to fix it. Time to fix it. Okay, this is the error. Basically, lots of error. Let Claude fix it, and I will just check. Dart compile. Okay, forgot to import CloudSync Dart when I added Cloud Backup with one line fix. Rerun. Okay, Flutter run release. That's all I have to do. It's signing the Xcode key. Now it is running the Xcode build. Running Xcode build. No need for Flutter clean or pod install again. Only one Dart file change. Everything Firebase side already compiled fully the screen full. Okay. Installing and launching, guys. As soon as it launch, I will just. Okay. Now I will show you guys. Just a second. I have to turn on iPhone mirroring. Let's try. So welcome to Simple Test. Make a card. Crazy. Profile has a cloud backup premium feature. Let's start it. Okay. My name is nothing currently in this. Okay. Sign into safety backup your cards, transaction and avatars. Reinstall or switch phones, your data stays with you. Okay, I will just update this screen. I wanted to update this, okay. Let's continue with Apple, guys. Continue with passcode. Just a second, guys. I have to do it in on my phone, I believe. Signing in is happening, guys. Let's see. Cloud backup is on. Okay, so I will just connect it again. And we have cloud backup on. Okay, now I just. Okay, there was a delete also, no? Delete. I think inside this. Okay, delete account. Okay. Now I will just click here. Add a new card called as Raj. Add a transaction of dinner where I have to pay him 500. So Raj owns me. I have to pay Raj 500 and I ending at this thing called from Raj only where I have to add that he has to pay me for taxi $100. Done. So I have added these two things. Now it should auto sync. So to check this, I will go to Firebase storage, or it will come to real. It took 3 seconds, right? What it told to how to check it. It shared me this to test. Firebase console, Firestore database. Users will have the user IDs. Yes, users are created with a user ID is created. Snapshot, you should see your data snapshot. With data snapshot, okay, data is there. One column for data snapshot. Raj, okay. Crazy. Now what I will do is I will delete the app. Okay, let's do that. Let's try this way. We delete this app. Delete. Okay. Flutter run release. I again install this app on my device and I will log in again, and we'll just see if my data got updated here or not. It should, please, yeah. If it is, then I'm good to go. And I have to try Google login also once, so I have to test 2-3 times now. Okay, no worries, I already have to do 2-3 changes. So continue. We have currently nothing. Okay, for this I need to open my phone only. Okay, because it start 3-day cloud backup already signed in, bro. This guy is already signed in. I have to just say sync now, last sync. Okay, it didn't come, the data didn't came, guys. So got it. So the auth is working. I'm able to sign in. Once signed in, it uploads the data also wherever I create. But let's say I reinstall the app. Okay, I re-log in, I re-sign in, then that those cards etc don't get added again. It just refresh the snapshot only to cards to 0. So maybe that syncing is not fetching anything, it's just updating that okay, there's no status. So fix this. So we are 50% done. I think it just need to fix this one thing, and then I have to try Google. Let me try Google one also. I will delete the account. Continue with Google. Choose the email ID of on Google. Hello. Wow, so continue with Google is loading on. What the hell is doing? Okay. Delete account working here. Continue with Apple. Sign in. Signing in with Apple, and their delete account is not working now. Working. Crazy. Let's go. Oh, few three issues are there. That signing in with Google, when I log in, the cursor was rotating on Google. So minor UI UX change that can be done. There's a one major UI UX change which I have to do is that I have to add that cloud backup as part of the premium thing. So, and we have to try 2-3 days because this is something that can either make the app reputation up or make it to ground. So I just need to fix this out anyhow. Meanwhile, I am just let it do the work.
I wish when the user is already signed in, the auth persistent keychain across reinstalls in day mode and the local SR is empty after reinstall. The app starts watching for changes immediately, and as soon as nothing writes on local, it uploads the empty snapshot overriding the cloud. There is no logic to pull from cloud automatically on app startup and process. The fixed smart resolve on if local is empty but cloud has data, pull first, then start watching. Plus visible sync status and smarter sync now button. Now adding a visible sync. Okay.
Let's see what it do. Crazy. If I there's no live chat on X. Nobody is watching on X. One day there will be lots of watching. Hey Kush, we are building look to the agents can now just say to more. Are you new here too? Okay. What's happening? How many users are using revenue car? 22 users are there on my MedVault. Active users, like means they have downloaded, not the one. Okay. Let's do this thing, guys. Let's try. I will just add one transaction for playing called as Rahul. Okay, make him dinner. Amount set to 500 and add transaction. Okay, I will just add this one transaction. That net balance across one card and all. I just edit it. Cloud backup sync now. Syncing is done. Okay. I closed the app. I deleted the app. Okay. Now I will flutter run release. This way I get the latest app and I will download and I will see if it fetches it or not, because as per this it changes something, so I have to just check. And maybe my users is going to finish. I've done something very impressive now. सो जा यार अब ना भाई, अभी तो उठे हैं भाई, उठते ही मैंने लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट करी भाई, अभी कहाँ सो जाएंगे. So it's running. Let's see, installing and launching. Let me try. Continue. Start tracking. Oh, it got it updated, guys. It got it updated. Crazy. But wait. How? Wait. Cloud backup. क्या चल रहा है ये? So I have to okay. Now cloud backup is on. I have to report one issue to this.
cloud backup, I reinstalled the app, okay, and successfully it fetched the data, but cloud backup is off, like upgrade to premium is not yet done. Then how come it fetched the data? It should open at a fresh without any data. It should, if I you upgrade to premium cloud backup on and I logged in it successfully, then it should do. What it is this? Let me just tell it if it fixes it out or not. Just trying, guys. It works. This thing should work anyhow. It will work. It's going to take some time because there are lots of loops. Now there's one way it can go like this. There's some other way which can be Firebase Association token persists in iCast keychain across correct. The fix should be this. If this fix is done, I will also update the UI part and then I'm done. How to check it? I will delete the app because upgrade to premium is not done yet. Okay, now we'll just test this. If it works, good. Flutter, run, release. I think in 2 minutes I get to know if it works or not, because I will just open the app and then only I get to know the first problem, and then will cross check in a minute. So running Xcode build can take 30 seconds, Xcode and then 5 seconds for installing and launching. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 27 seconds. Oh, nice. And 4.1 second. Nice, better than last time. So I start tracking. Okay, my entries are 0. I go to insights, not insights, I go to cloud backup. Free trial started. Then continue with Apple, sign in with Apple. I signed in with Apple, it logged in and I got it working. This is working. I just need to make sure cloud backup should be in insights and in the feature column. Okay, let me just do that. In profile section, cloud backup option is currently in the backup area. Just move it inside features things where we have insights and 10. Just below that or above that we'll have cloud backup option, because both are premium things and all. Do this. Then in upgrade to premium page, make sure cloud backup should be one option. In upgrade to premium thing, cloud backup should be one option, so that's very important. Cloud backup should be an option. Like it's written that it's upgrade on upgrading on premium you will get cloud backup, that as a highlighted thing. Okay, then in home page, when in the cloud, when sign in and all, I've faced few issues. Okay, first of all, signing in with Google, when signing in with Google is happening, the cursor, loading cursor is rotating inside sign in with Apple column. It should be rotating in sign in with Google. That's a small thing, so fix this also. Just done 2-3 changes, guys. I don't read now, yaar. It's Hey man, long time no see. Hey, believe in pop. Hey bro. Yes, I came after a long time live. And that's why no viewers are there. And I'm making an app. I launched one app recently on Apple App Store. You might, if you have Apple device, go search MedVault Medicine Manager. You find this app. It's my app. Just hit that download button and try it out, bro. I'm releasing another app, so three quick fixes. Yes, quick, very quick. Now add cloud backup as highlighted feature on the grid. Yes, it should. Because editing upgrade view cut, for that I need to reinstall the app also, no? So I will just delete it right now. But now it's working fine for me, so I am happy. More than happy, you can see. Now the spinner bug. Track Google and loading spin separately, so the spinner shows. Okay. Maybe it will fix it in 2 minutes. This part also, and we are done with the day. We got the target matched. We integrated Firebase and all. Now what else is remaining? I will tell you guys what else is remaining. I have to test this app now. I will be testing it out, solving few bugs, and then we'll integrate Revenue Cat. So all those will be done in the next stream, guys. Next stream, because I have to have breakfast and all, and then I have to have some other work also. So I will be occupied the whole day. So if I get time, I will do it. So bye bye.